my channel, my friends, and today I'm going to show you some exciting that I have. I will do an unboxing and stay tuned. What I got here is a Living Essential Oils. I don't know if you guys heard about it, and this is actually overdue because this is since August. I got it from August, and I know, Brian, sorry, very sorry, I just don't have time to do unboxing with this one, but it's safer place, and now I finally get the time to open. And so here's the proof of purchase of this essential oils that I got. Actually, it's my friend from the Philippines. He's the one introducing me this essential oils. I'm really not fond of using essential oils at home, but I think I found something different on this product. What I've learned when I researched essential Young Living is this program you can join in such a good community that the woman in the community is empowering. It's going to be awesome, and I picked this product because I've learned also that this product is also toxic free and completely organic. So it's about time to open. You guys just wait and see what I have it here. So what it comes is in this box is this fancy box like this. And fun facts, I've learned that the Apple maker, you know, those boxes that you receive and then open it, the same company that makes this box. We'll go ahead and open it because I want you guys to witness that it's really, I'm going to open it in front of you guys because this is especially for my friend Brian. Thank you so much for introducing me this to me. It's really nice. Young Living. I really could smell the scents already. So just flip like that, and what's inside in the box is, smells so good. This sealed seed to seal, and then here's a little thingy you could open just like that. And what you have in here is all kinds of oils. I think the first part of this is you can digest. I think you can digest, or meaning you can add it to your food. I believe there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 oils in one box, and plus included with this little brochure on the side here. So here's the peppermint, the lemon, the teas, the citrus, the vitality, the cheese, the raven, valor, and penaway, lavender, and frankincense. So what's that's included? So oopsie, it's already gone wild. So there's a lot of stuff going in here. So this box really here. It's really nice. I already took it off. Everything is off on the box. And as you can see, it's cute and fancy. Just open it like that. And plus the cord together with cord inside.